Okay, sanibonani. Ngake ngiqale nje angikaze ngichaze ukuthi kwakwenzakalani e-Famous e-Cape Town. So guys, ngizokhuluma nje into yokuqala. Uma kuthiwa khona i-FMAs ngalapho khona, mhlawumbe kuthiwa iyenza le event each and every year. Make sure ukuthi uyaya. Ngizoqala nje ngikhulume ongakubonayo. Ngizogcina ngakho okunye. Bafethu ziningi izinto ey'winwayo laphana. Ungayilahlekeli nje ungayilahli la opportunity le. There's a lot of people who make so much money kule event lena iyodwa nje. Abantu abawina ama-competition they were there. Cabanga ama-broker angaka ya onke anama-competition prizes mali. Abanye bawina negolide ibhayi egolide engaka. You know, there's a lot of things you can get there. Ungathola i-account efandiwe. If wena nje umuntu vele ubuthanda ukutrade noma ubuka impela nawe ubu-interested uye lapho ubu-interested. Hamba ubuke ilokhuzana iwebsite yabo, you can see people bewin ama-prizes guys. Lapha mfethu ngiyabuthwa. Yabo, t-shirt, caps, anything. Yonke into lapha but toys ey'ngane. Mina I was shocked. Bengiqala ngavela kuyo. But next time ngibuyela ngi-prepared because it was amazing. Ubona abantu futhi isikhathi nejob babona la ko TikTok, ubona abantu job babona ko YouTube. Le nto leyo futhi inhle, like it shows ukuthi okay, now lokho kwenza one day it's gonna get to that certain level, yabo. But excuse le event le top class. Ngisazobe ngichaze ke nangokunye ukuthi kwenzakalani, but nje le video I just wanted to make ukuthi woza ayincintshe uma wazi useduzane. I don't know ukuthi next year izobe ikephi, but this year it was amazing. Nawe yenza sure futhi na next year ukuthi uyaphumelela uzoyicoshela. Khona baphuma neimali, khona baphuma no 20,000, khona baphuma no 10,000.